What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a double cheeseburger with a side of homemade fries. Depending on how I feel in the week, if I'm feeling a little bit lazy, this is what I choose to make. It's quick and easy and simple, so I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to start off right away with cutting up our potatoes. Then we're going to throw them in a bowl. And season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to mix that up before we put them in the air fryer. Before you do put it on the air fryer, make sure to preheat your air fryer at 350. Then spray a little bit of extra olive oil and leave them there for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to move on to our veggies. I decided to cut up some yellow onions. The yellow onions are better for caramelizing, so to have that little sweetness to it. Then we're going to cut a couple slices of our tomatoes. Then we're going to cut up a couple of romaine lettuce. After that, we're going to preheat our cast iron for about 5 minutes on medium to high. Then we're going to throw in our patty. We're going to season them with half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of adobo seasoning. We're going to leave them for about a minute before you flip them, and we're going to re-season the other side with the same spices. Then for our next step, we're going to add our American cheese on both patties. Within 30 seconds, they start to melt right away. You don't want to overcook your patties. Then you want to stack them together and put them on the side. Then we're going to move to our next step, which is caramelizing our onions. We're going to grab a half a butter stick and place it on our cast iron. Then we're going to grab our onions, throw them inside. You're going to want to stir them around for about a minute or two. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and continue to stir them up for a minute. Then we're going to add a little bit of sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, all you have to do, cook your onions on low for a longer time. You have to leave them for 45 minutes and keep on stirring them around, and then the sweetness will come out of the onions, and that's how you caramelize your onions. If you want the recipe for the caramelized onions, I did post that a few months ago as a short on my channel, so make sure to click on the playlist on my channel and you'll see it in there. And that's how you make a homemade double cheeseburger. Enjoy, guys.